इस एक्टिविटी में हम दो फॉर्मूलाज के बीच में डिफरेंस देखने जा रहे हैं। सो फॉर्मूला 1 इज CH3OH एंड फॉर्मूला सेकेंड इज C2H5OH। सो OH से OH कैंसिल आउट हो गया। सो पहले फॉर्मूला में कार्बन एक ही है और दूसरे में दो है, सो द डिफरेंस ऑफ कार्बन इज 1 एंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 2। सो द टोटल डिफरेंस इज CH2। Now the second question's two formulas are C2H5OH and C3H7OH. So the difference of carbons is 1 and the difference between hydrogen is 2. So the difference is again CH2. The next question's formula are C3H7OH and C4H9OH. So again the difference of carbon is 1 and the difference of hydrogen is 2H. So total difference is CH2. Now we have to calculate the difference of molecular masses in these formulas. The molecular mass of CH3OH is carbon's molecular mass is 12. Molecular mass of hydrogen is 1. So here we have 4 hydrogen. So the molecular mass of H4 will be 4. Molecular mass of oxygen is 16. So the total mass is 12 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 32. The molecular mass of C2H5OH is 12 into 2 plus 1 into 5 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 24 plus 5 plus 16 plus 1. So the molecular mass of this formula is 46. Molecular mass of methanol is 32 and ethanol is 46. So the gap is 14. Now we are in the propanol. The molecular mass of propanol is 12 into 3 plus 1 into 7 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 60. So ethanol से अगर ब्यूटेनॉल का वेट या मॉलिक्यूलर मास अगर कंपेयर करें तो डिफरेंस आता है 14. So the difference is same. So there is similarity between these three. So we can arrange them in the increasing order of carbon atoms. So number first is methanol, ethanol, propanol, and then we have butanol.